I like engaging students. I find they're challenging. I like to learn from them. And I also find that teaching is the best way to impact somebody's life.
Those are two simple pens with no...
Engineering requires a student to integrate a lot of knowledge from a lot of different areas. It's not just math, it's not just science. It's a broad education in itself.
What else do we have?
Statics is a class where you present a theory, you show an equation, and then you work a problem. That's our typical way of teaching the student. And the student memorizes then what you did.
Then what's the F2?
Bringing in argumentation into that process, I ask the student, what is the concept they're going to do to solve a problem? That concept may come from another course. And then I ask them, what's the rationale that they use for using that concept?
I'm sorry, how did you get 300 newtons?
And I make them write this stuff down. I make them figure out what it is they're going to do to solve the problem. They're going to keep that a lot longer than trying to memorize how to solve a problem for the exam.
But we want to know what forces are going on up at the shoulder. How do we do that?
I want a student who wants to learn. I mean, they're here at the university.
Okay.
They should take ownership of their education. I also want a student that's going to talk to me, engage me, and challenge me. You know, this isn't a static situation. It's a dynamic, and they've got to be involved in it. And that's what I want the students to do.